Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the adapter type and the iPhone port because compatibility is the first barrier. Once done, power on the phone and unlock it. Make sure notifications won't interrupt the process. Gently clean the port with a soft brush or compressed air. This prevents poor contact. Next, align the adapter straight with the port and hold the phone steady. A steady insertion avoids bending pins or connectors. Pause briefly to ensure the adapter seats fully and feels secure. You should insert the adapter firmly with even pressure to make sure contacts meet. Do not force if you feel resistance. Once the adapter is seated, the iPhone often recognizes it within seconds. Watch for an on-screen accessory prompt. If audio or data isn't routed automatically, go to Settings and select the accessory under Bluetooth or Input/Output. Sometimes an app needs permission. If you're using audio, test playback volume and microphone functionality. To complete the setup by testing the functionality you need, play a track, record a quick voice memo, or transfer a file. If it works, you're done. If not, disconnect the adapter and inspect both ends for lint or corrosion, then reconnect slowly and evenly. Make sure the adapter's firmware or app isn't required. Install any companion apps if prompted. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the iPhone before replacing hardware. A reboot often clears recognition glitches and restores proper connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.